Pericardium, pericardial cavity, cavitas pericardiaca contains serous fluid. Lower base lies on diaphragm. Apex almost reaches level of sternal angle. Extends in breadth more to left than to right. Parts: 4. Anterior, sternocostal, posterior inferior, diaphragm greater than 2, lateral, mediastinal, radial sternocostal part, faces and wall of thorax, in relation with body of sternum. 5th and 6th costal cartilages, Y intercostal spaces, left portion of xiphoid process. Lateral portions are covered by right and left layers of mediastical pleura. Pars perividia plenumediatinalis greater than, separated in front from and wall of thorax. Middle portion, free part greater than, uncovered 24 spaces. Upper, lesser A corresponds to times lower, larger space corrigans to pericardium. Their bases are directed upwards, at manubrium sterni, and downwards, at diaphragm greater than. In the region of the upper A, sternocostal part is separated from septum by loose CT and tatty tissue, less than thymus, embedded in children. 606. Pericardium, posterior wall, anterior aspect, 4/5. The anterior wall of the pericardium is removed. The heart is removed at the sites where the great vessels enter and leave it. Thickened portion of tissue forms superior sternopericardial ligament, ATACH2 and wall of pericardium to the manubrium sterni, superior vena cava, vertebral pericardial ligaments, aortic arch, superior sternopericardial ligaments, pericardium greater than, in the region of lower 4, separated from sternum by areolar tissue. Thickened part of tissue forms inferior sternopericardial ligament greater than, attached lower portion of pericardium to sternum, diaphragmatic part. Upper portion forms and boundary of postmediastinum related to the esophagus. Thorax aorta section, vena azygos, separated from them by a layer of LCT and thin fascial sheet. Lower portion covers the diaphragm greater than, base of the pericardium fused with central tendon of diaphragm. Greater than, extends slightly over front left areas of muscular part of diaphragm and is connected by aredar tissue. Right 4 left mediastinal parts, adjoin the mediastinal pleura, greater than, connected to it by aredur tissue. Serous, made up of 2 serous sacs, outer sac, serous sac of pericardium proper greater than, inner sac fused with myocardium. Epicardium, serous covering of pericardium greater than, lamina parieentalis, serous covering of heart greater than, lamina visceralis. Epicardium fibrous, derelapton and wall of pericardium. Attached to the diaphragm, walk of great recess and post. Surf of sternum by ligaments. Epicardium is continuous with pericardium, per layer, on the base of the heart where vena cava pulmonary veins enter, aorta pulmonary front leave it. Pericardial cavity greater than, BLT. Epicardium, Y pericardium greater than, contains a small amount of fluid, lubricates the serous surfaces of pericardium. Transverse sinus, boundaries, greater than, superior, pericardium posterior, sup. VC and surf of aorta, anterior, aorta pulmonary trunk. Open on the right and left. Oblique sinus located inferiorly and posteriorly of the heart. Boundaries, greater than, anterior, post. Surf of left atrium covered by epicardium posterior, post-mediastinal part of pericardium greater than, right, inf. VC left, pulmonary veins covered by epicardium.